Hi, it's Kate with National Discount Pool Supplies, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to order an above ground replacement pool liner on our website. Once you get to our site, you hover over pool equipment, and in the bottom left corner you'll see above ground pool liners. Again, if you just hover over pool equipment, bottom left corner, above ground pool liners. We've got a bunch of different selections. We have the overlap, the beaded and J-hook, also known as Unibead, expandable pool liners that go up to 72 inches deep, kayak, and we also have pool construction materials for when you are replacing your liner. I'm going to start with the Unibead liners. First on our site, you'll see all of our patterns. Once you find a pattern you like, you click on that pattern and you'll select your pool size from there. Change the pool size to your selected size, and then you'll be changing your wall height if it's Unibead. If you have a special bead, you select it now. We have Esther Williams or Johnny Weissmuller. If you don't have either of those pool manufacturers, click No, and then add to cart. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the overlap pool liners. Go to overlap pool liners, and same style, you'll see the patterns first, and then you'll select your size. Once you click your size, you'll see in that yellow highlighted box what your current price would be. I'm going to hit checkout from here. We've got a few different ways to check out. You can check out as a guest, you can sign in, or you can create an account. If you've never created an account before with our website, you have to do so before you can sign in. I'm just going to check out as a guest. Here's where you put in all of your billing and shipping information. If you have any sort of promotional coupons, your email address, any comments, and then you also want to check our terms and policy agreement and check it if you agree. And then scroll to the top of the page. We accept all major credit cards, and we also take PayPal. Once you're done, scroll to the bottom and hit Submit Order. And please let me know if any questions ever come up. Again, this is Kate with National Discount Pool Supplies. We've got experts waiting by to answer your questions and help you place your order. You can visit our website at www.shopndps.com. Again, that's shopndps.com.